Come test drive the 2019 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.